G'day folks, Jaden Drought here at the Farm Trader ROPS Tractor Showcase. Now we have a plethora of ROPS tractors for you to choose from. We're checking them all out, and behind me is the TD5 from New Holland. Now some of you might have been let down by the TD and its dry clutch in the past, but I can categorically tell you folks, this has a wet clutch. It also has wet oil immersed brakes, and there's lots of other cool features. Let's go and check them out. Now there's three models in the TD5 range. There's the 90, the 100 and the 110. We've got the middle child here, the 100, but they all share the same 3.9 litre S8000 engine. Now it is turbocharged and intercooled, and you've also got the power core air filtration up the front. It has 300-hour service intervals, and all of the daily servicing as well as routine service intervals can be carried out from ground level. Now another unique feature of this machine at the showcase is it's the only one with a side mount exhaust. It's tucked up just in front of the diesel tank there, and it's a firm favourite of mine. There's no exhaust impeding your loader vision. Now speaking of loaders, this New Holland branded loader comes loader ready from the factory on this tractor. So that's not loader ready with the towers and a bit of plumbing. This is as you see it rolling off the ship. Self-levelling, Euro hitch tool carrier and twin accumulator boom suspension. Hopping up into the operator station on the TD5, the first thing you'll notice is how easy the accessibility is. Up the stairs, flat floor, tilting steering column. We then move around to our 12-speed gearbox. So what we've got is 3 ranges, which is non-synchro-mesh, so you have to stop to change range. But then we've got 4 on the stick. They are fully synchro-meshed and can be changed very easily going round through the paddock. As I mentioned earlier, the wet clutch shuttle on the left-hand side is fantastic and is a nice little upgrade for the TD series. We then move around to the mid-mount valves. Our loader joystick is perfectly placed. I reckon this, out of all of the tractors, is almost spot on. It falls to hand very nicely, and the third service button on the front is very functional. Rounding out the right hand side here, we've just got our mechanical rear linkage, which works very good, along with our little hoodaki at the back, which we previously mentioned. And then a throwback to the old Fiat days is the old lift and lower switch over here. How good? Round the back of the TD, we start with the 2700 kg rear linkage lift capacity. Now it's got Cat 2 hook ends and also a Cat 2 top link. Now we've got 52 litres per minute for the rear hydraulics. We've got 2 rear spools on this one. We've also got 2 mid-mount valves which controls the loader. However, there are 3 available on the back. Now we've also got a 30 litre separate steering pump, so 52 on the back plus the 30 steering. Now in terms of PDO, you can either have 540 and 540E or 540 and 1000, and that is both independent and ground speed. Now we talked about the high quality New Holland loader at the start. It's built for loader work, this tractor, with the wet clutch, and another nice addition is the 90 kgs of rear wheel weights on each side. If we now look at the top 5 reasons why you should consider the TD5 from New Holland, for me, again, it starts at the front. We've got our S8000 3.9 litre Tier 3 4-cylinder engine. Now these engines have been around for decades. They're well proven and they're not going to let you down. My second favourite feature is that it comes loader ready from the factory. Not just towers and a mid-mount valve, it comes just like this with the New Holland loader straight from the factory. That means all of the lines are internally plumbed, it's a much tidier finish, and these loaders are stacked with features. Euro hitch, twin accumulators and self-levelling. We then move back to the 12x12 power shuttle transmission. It's got 3 ranges and 4 gears on the stick in each range. We've also got that all-important wet clutch shuttle on the left-hand side. We've also got wet oil immersed brakes. That's another fantastic feature for on Kiwi farms. We then move to the operator station. Flat floor, twin wing mirrors and that beautifully positioned loader joystick. It's one of my favourite out of all of the tractors here, and it sits very comfortably in your arm for what is going to be probably the most important job on the farm, which is moving stuff with the loader. We then move around the back to the hydraulics. We've got 52 litres of dedicated oil for the rear remotes, of which you can have an option of 2 or 3 plus the 2 mid-mount, and then we've got that 2700 kg lift capacity. For the video on this machine plus all of the others at our ROPS showcase, head to farmtrader.co.nz. This machine is also going to be in the summer edition of the Farm Trader, and make sure you keep an eye on the socials about what we're up to.